Hey everyone. So for those people that have been asking me how I have been getting my rebates on my trading account for the commissions that I've paid, I use this site over here called Cashback Forex. The link is down in the description below. So what it does is, for example, in my case, because I'm using Pepperstone and I'm using the Edge Razor account, this is how much of the commissions that they actually pay back. So we have two options of receiving the commissions. I can either do it direct to the broker's account, which goes into my MetaTrader 5 on a daily basis at the end of the market close. Or some people also choose the monthly cashback. So you can send it then to like PayPal or whatever. So it just depends on what you choose. So for me, I chose the daily cashback. So once you've done that, just fill in everything, and then the process I think takes about a week. So for those brokers that are not found in the list, you can actually just drop them a text message on their chat, and they usually would be able to see if they're able to work something out with your brokers. So some of the community has said that Cashback Forex doesn't really work with European clients, but I think it depends case to case on who your broker is. So you might want to do a check on it. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you've got any other questions on this.